Did you notice the sentiment score dipping to minus 0.17, while momentum is up at plus 0.16? That's a rare divergence from our historical baseline, suggesting a disconnect between short-term bullish momentum and overall market sentiment. This could indicate underlying concerns that aren't being reflected in price movements, definitely something worth investigating further. With our API, you get a comprehensive picture of these dynamics, returning insights, such as sentiment scores, momentum, and even semantic clusters, that can help you understand the context behind the numbers. Imagine using this data to trigger alerts in your trading systems when sentiment and momentum diverge like this, giving you a heads up on potential volatility or shifts in investor confidence. To dive deeper into how this can work for you, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.